Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download MitID application on your iPhone. So let's get started without wasting much of our time. First of all, open your App Store from your mobile device. Now go to the search box at the top and type in MitID and search. MitID is Denmark's national digital identity system. It's used to securely access a wide range of online services including government services, online banking, shopping, communication with businesses and organizations. Once you get to the search result, look for this application and tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app on your iPhone. Now wait until the application is downloaded and installed on your mobile device, which will take a couple of minutes. After it's done, tap on the Open button to launch Open MitID application on your iPhone. So that's how you can easily get MitID on iOS device within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.